Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to another vlog. And no, I'm not just standing on the side of the road. I've actually pulled into the lay-by in the Rolls-Royce Wraith because we are 10 minutes away from the Rolls-Royce factory. That's right, we're heading over to Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, the Goodwood factory. We've been invited over. We're going to go check out the factory. I haven't been in a while. I'm looking forward to seeing the Cullinan, the Phantom 8, and other various bits and bobs. The last time I came to the factory for a tour, I think I was like 15 years old. So I'm super excited. I've got a few of my friends with me as well, so we're going to have a good day out. And yeah, let's check out some Rolls Royces. Let's go. We're about a mile away from the factory now. We've actually traveled a little bit more than that, about 170 miles to get here today from Birmingham. So a little bit of a trek, but nevertheless it's going to be worth it. Excited to be seeing the Cullinan and the Phantom 8s and seeing the expansion that they've done onto the factory and see how they're developing the brand and taking it forward, as well as seeing all the different kind of crazy specs that Rolls-Royce customers come up with. It's going to make you think that the UK spec cars are extremely basic. From what I remember when I was much younger, I saw purple cars, like ruby red, yellow, wild colors. So yeah, we're very excited to be heading over today. I heard there's also going to be a spot of lunch. Okay guys, so we're now at the home of Rolls-Royce. It's a little wet, the weather's a little bad. You can see the Wraith parked up outside there anyway. We're nice and warm inside, thankfully, we have a roof. The entrance, look at this. We've got some classic Rolls-Royces. We've got a black badge here. We've got a Phantom 8 over there, but we have something a little more exciting planned for us. In fact, we've done a 3-hour journey. From what I've heard, that they have prepared something very nice for us. So I'm looking forward to this. Last time I came, these rooms, these suites were not built. The dining gallery, etc. So yeah, looking forward to checking these rooms out.
You know what everybody else is doing, so we must as well. But
Oh.
That's the case.
Rolls study at the moment. This is an aviator, an aviation inspired room. As you can see, he was an absolute fanatic for aviation. Got the starlight headlining, the classic. You see this on my Instagram quite a lot. I love to take pictures underneath the starlight. But yeah, is lunch good? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, bang on.
Just going to fill our bellies up a little bit so we can just relax and do the tour, as opposed to getting it over with real quick. Rolls-Royce do it the right way. So just joined from this room is also the Rolls-Royce Atelier. This is where customers will come and get inspiration to be, you know, for the cars. There's more like the bespoke side of things. You can see some lovely finishes of stitching, all of this sort of stuff, very bespoke. And what does this show? This lamp here, you can.
So the lamp actually replicates different sunlight environments. So basically, what we try to do is, when someone comes to us and we want to, you know, we want to make sure they leave here and leave Goodwood incredibly happy with the final specifications. So what we do is we replicate different shades of light. Obviously here in the UK, maybe not on a day like today, but it can be a very cold, very harsh lighting. And so what we want to do is here is to show that if you take that car to the Middle East, for example, that there's a different warmth to the light.
Wow, that is...
We just want to make sure it's an inclusive environment for everyone to feel happy and make sure that they choose the right colour. Awesome.
Attention to detail, that's how I like it. Imagine turning up, ordering a car from here, turning up in Dubai and being like, hey brother, this is not the same. So you guys got that covered too. All these, the stitching here in silk, beautiful bespoke pieces you can get. You can see the umbrellas, they come in black. You can get them to match the colour of your car. And there's many. Look at these, all these colours. There's 44,000 colours.
That's what we say, but the human eye, you can only see 44,000 colours. So that's us saying once more that anything is possible.
Wow. And I think the Burj Al Arab in Dubai as well, on their Phantoms, which they have on their fleet, they have the bespoke. This is all hand done as well.
One man.
One person does all of this?
A man called Marque. There's a coach that so we'll talk more about him in the...
Is there was a paint that was mentioned, it's called like the deepest, darkest black.
So we've got one upstairs, which I'll talk you through some more, but it's diamond paint, so it's got diamonds in the clear coat. So
wow.
I'll show you some more about that when we head upstairs.
I think the Cullinan, I think we're going with this mandarin interior with the black car.
It's an incredible colour. It's really, it's quite popular as well. You know, it's funny that
Hermes orange, some people like to call it.
Yeah, exactly.
Or Terry's chocolate orange, whichever you prefer. Oh, guys, what a beautiful suite this is. What a place it is to spec up your car. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else with all these different colour threads. Man, specking up a Cullinan is going to be super interesting. Black with the mandarin orange, but you could go for anything. Look, pinks, purples, a lot. I thought I'd come outside because the rain has stopped. I wanted to show you this extended wheelbase Phantom 8, just to show you the sheer size of this. Wow, look at that. All the legroom you'll ever need. The ultimate in automotive luxury, that. I like to call it automotive jewelry. That's what it calls. I'm super excited to be going on to the factory visit. You can see the line behind me there. Man, excited. Okay guys, so we've just finished the tour and Aidan's going to show us the Goodwood design studio just through here. There's also a theatre here, which I'm going to show you more on in a second. Also more bits of you know, samples of paint and rugs and that sort of stuff. Another beautiful suite, such beautiful spaces to come and create your dream car. Super excited about the Cullinan as well. A great factory tour. I couldn't show you footage from the line, that's super secretive, super top secret. But nice to see that the Phantom extended wheelbase, the Ghost, the Dawn, the Wraith, The Cullinan all go down on the same line. It takes around 6 months to build a Rolls-Royce. The amount of attention to detail that goes into these cars is phenomenal, and I'm absolutely privileged and lucky to be offered a tour like this and to be shown around one of the best brands in the world, Rolls-Royce. Whenever one mentions Rolls-Royce, there's quality involved, and tell you what, the home of Rolls-Royce is nothing but that. Okay guys, what you saw there was an absolutely magnificent presentation by Rolls-Royce of the Cullinan. We're in one of their design suites now. Some more options here. There's some fantastic more paint colors. We have some of the higher. This one here actually has crushed glass in it, crystal black they call it. I don't know if you can see there on the light, but wow, it sparkles and shimmers much more. So many options. You could go absolutely wild and crazy with specifications here, pink, purple, you name it. I really don't think sometimes pictures do it justice, but this video right now is, look at that beautiful red, wow.
Niggles and a few buttons that aren't doing what they're supposed to do, just ignore it.
Wow. Guys, shall we, look, we are a bit of a squad here. Shall we all jump in as if we were... Hey, listen, must you drive? Tame, are you passengers, yeah? Thank you. Huh? Oh, go on then. Press the button for the door.
Oh, yeah. Close mine as well. Oh, right then.
Huh? It's nice, huh? In the back of the Cullinan, and a super spacious 4x4. Man, what a pleasant place to be. Huge panes of glass here, you know.
Must you open the sunroof?
You can close the door, the front door as well.
Door shut.
What do you mean? There you go, bro. You got the suicide doors again on this model as well. Boom. Stepping out. I don't know if they'll be able to, I'm sure they will do some kind of side step for it as well. But the entry level is, it's not too bad for me anyway. Again, the design of the car. Wow. The specs really do change the look of these cars. The ones in white look much different to the ones in black, and obviously not just color, but the lines of the car, the way they're all put together with the wheels. Some look more sporty, some look more luxurious. You can have chrome finishes, dark finishes, you name it. The reason why I want to go for something like Mandarin as the interior is because I think it's a bit more youthful as well. It'll inject some energy. A lot of people say that Rolls-Royces are for old people, but you know, I've said time and time again, they are the ultimate automobile out on the road. And if you've driven one, if you've been in one, you'll understand what I'm saying. And also, you know, to have it specced up in a bright color just gives it that youthful feel to it, and makes it more me, which is what Rolls-Royce want you to do. They want you to personalize and create a vehicle that you know, suits you as well, and fits your personality and your taste as well. Anything is achievable here, and I am a bit spoiled for choice here, but the budget's tight. Okay, a very interesting point that Aidan just mentioned about the side step that I mentioned just earlier on. Aidan, why don't they have side steps on the Cullinan?
So we've sacrificed the side step in order to have these wonderful doors which clasp onto the bottom of the car, in order to make sure that the interior sill is always clean. So if you are in your finery, in your good suit or your lovely dress, of course, when you come out, the backs of your trousers and the back of your dress will never be dirty. So
so okay, for example, so if there was to be a step here, right, if you were to step out here, this part of your, you would,
well, it's more the door would stop here,
and
therefore this part of the car would be, you know, exposed.
But what about, oh yeah, even deployable. Wow, interesting.
So that's why you see the door
Yes.
shuts over.
Is this access level at the moment?
No, this is
I don't think so.
normal ride height. It does lower by 40 millimeters.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Open the car, it will come down ever so slightly.
Perfect.
So you've got a fully flat loading bay here with a tilting boot floor in this one. With the individual seating option, it is exactly what it says on the tin. 2 fixed rear seats with a glass panel that divides the interior cabin space and the boot space, which is fixed.
Does this one have the seats in the back?
It doesn't, no. That was the ones we had were, you know, I say experimental, but they were new to us, so we were trying them out at different shows. But this is just the way the boot would look when you have the seating option. It's like
quite a large volume.
Yeah,
it's quite high.
It's a cassette that fits in here and plugs into the side there, and you hit a button, and of course the 2 seats deploy the viewing suite.
Does that jeopardize any boot space? Obviously, it's a step up.
I mean, very minimally. I don't know that there is, of course, facts and figures. Facts and figures on literage.
You gotta have those seats though, regardless of the boot space.
Instead of a glass of champagne somewhere.
Oh, there we are. The power closing boot. Effortless. The absolute ultimate in luxury. And here we have it in a 4x4. You can go off-roading, guys, in luxury. Wow. I love it. Okay. Yay! Rolls-Royce gifts from Aidan and Rolls-Royce. I appreciate that.
Thanks for
You've been an absolute star, Aidan. Thank you so much for everything.
My pleasure.
My man. Love. Thank you so much. That's for me. Thank you. My man. Okay guys, we have finished the tour at this beautiful factory, the home of Rolls-Royce, Goodwood. What an amazing morning it's been, morning, afternoon. Now going to be heading back to Birmingham, about a 3-hour drive, but I had a fantastic day. A little gift package as well from Rolls-Royce. So a big thank you to Aidan as well for showing us around, and also Rolls-Royce for inviting us over. Looking forward to the Cullinan and more Rolls-Royces to come. From all of us here at Rolls-Royce, I say all of us, it's just me standing out here in the cold. All my friends are in the car because it's super cold. I will catch you soon for another video, guys. Oh, hold on a second, I've got to do my ending properly. My bag's there. Right, guys, take it easy, God bless. Bye-bye.